I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Whoop band. First, download the Whoop application to your smartphone and set up your personal account. Next, fully charge the small, portable battery pack using a standard USB-C cable. This usually takes about 1 hour. Then, slide your Whoop band onto your non-dominant wrist, positioning it about 1 inch above your wrist bone for optimal sensor contact. Ensure it feels snug. Finally, open the app and follow prompts to pair your device via Bluetooth, which typically takes just moments. Your Whoop band continuously collects vital data, providing a comprehensive view of your body's state. The strain score quantifies your daily cardiovascular exertion, helping you understand workout intensity. The recovery score, a percentage out of 100, shows how prepared your body is for activity, based on heart rate variability and sleep quality. You can also track metrics like skin temperature, blood oxygen levels, and detailed sleep architecture, including time spent in light, deep, and REM sleep stages. One convenient feature is charging your Whoop band while wearing it. Simply slide the charged, waterproof battery pack over the sensor, and it begins wirelessly charging. A full charge provides about 5 days of continuous tracking. You can easily check your battery status by double-tapping the sensor or viewing it within the Whoop application. Remember to periodically clean your band and sensor area with mild soap and water for accurate readings and good hygiene. The Whoop app offers powerful coaching features to help you reach your goals. The Sleep Coach provides personalized recommendations for bedtime and wake-up times, aiming for optimal recovery. You can even set a haptic alarm that gently vibrates to wake you during your ideal sleep stage. The Strain Coach guides your daily activity levels, ensuring effective training without overtraining. Additionally, the AI Coach offers customized insights and advice based on your unique physiological data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.